Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the difference between appraise and apprise. Appraise and apprise. These two words are not very commonly used because people are not aware. Most of the people are not aware about these words. So let's learn two new words today along with the difference between them. So let's begin today's class. Okay, first, appraise. The word appraise is a verb. Verb means action. When it is a verb, it has three forms also as a verb. So, three forms of the word appraise are appraise, appraised and appraised. Simple, isn't it? Appraise, appraised and appraised. Now, what does this word mean? The meaning of this word is to evaluate something. You know, when we measure worth or value of something, for example, all employees will be appraised thrice a year. What does this mean? This means that the organization or the company we are talking about is going to evaluate the performance of its employees 3 times in a year. Okay, now let's take one more example. I will appraise my students' dissertations. Means thesis, essay kind of things. I will appraise my students' dissertations. Again, evaluate, to measure. To evaluate. Okay, so I hope you have understood the meaning of this word. Please remember that the noun form of this word appraise is appraisal, which is very commonly and popularly used in companies and all the workplaces. Let's take one example of the word appraisal also. I want a detailed appraisal of this car before purchasing it. This is my right? So I want a detailed appraisal of this car before purchasing it. This means I want a proper evaluation of this car, whether it's worth purchasing. That I want to know. Okay, so I hope you have understood the word appraise. Now let's go to the word apprise. Apprise means to tell something or to notify something or to inform something. Means when we are informing someone about something or we are notifying or telling someone about something, then that is known as apprising. The word apprise is also a verb and its three forms are apprise, apprised and apprised. Again, I am repeating apprise, apprised and apprised. For example, I am apprising you the difference between appraise and apprise. Wow! See, I am apprising you. I am telling you the difference between appraise and apprise. Let's take one more example. The students were apprised of the syllabus. The students were apprised of the syllabus. What does it mean? It means that the students were informed about the syllabus. See how simple these two terms are, but people don't use them. So now you know the meaning of these two words and what's the difference between them. I hope you're going to use these words. As of now, this is Anushri signing off. Thank you.